We'll do it all. Everything. On. We don't need anything or anyone.
Today is a day you will always remember, the greatest in anyone's life. You'll start off the day just two people in love and end it as husband and wife.
With me and just forget the world.
So live happily forever as lovers and friends. It's the dawn of a new life for you, as you stand there together with love in your eyes from the moment you whisper, I do.
If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old.
What is a friend? I will tell you. It's a person with whom you dare to be yourself. Your soul can be naked with him. Your soul can be really naked with him.